Ever wondering why your compost is smelling bad? Whether it's in a tumbler, it's in the pile, or even the compost bin that you use on your countertop, why it's smelling so bad? The reason you gotta make sure you don't compost any fish, compost any meat, any dairy product, or any cooked food. Do not compost any stuff like that because it will stink. When it comes down to countertop, you have to empty every 4 to 5 days. Do not leave it too long or else it will stink. When you empty it, always wash your container inside. If you don't wash it, it will smell. Some containers have this filter inside. After a couple weeks, change the filter. So when it comes down to the compost tumbler or your piles, you have to make sure you add enough carbon, which is browns. If you guys empty one container of kitchen scrap, make sure you empty 2 times the amount of carbon. That's how much you need when you're composting. Another thing, check your vents on the side. Make sure the air vents are not closed. If the air vents are closed, that could lead for your compost to smell. If you overwater and it's soaked with water and you're not mixing it and you're not giving it a chance to dry, that could lead to smell. So even if the pile said the weather's raining today, come tomorrow and mix your compost in the pile. In your pile outside, get your pitchfork, shovel, mix it all up good. In a compost tumbler, say if I water today, I leave it for next 4 days. 4 days, but within that 4 days, I will spend it 1 to 2 times and make sure it's mixing properly. And if I smell anything, I add dry leaves. Dry leaves, when it comes down to browns, dry leaves will be the fast thing. Just crush up the dry leaves with your hand and put a whole bunch inside. Dry grass, dry leaves, sticks, paper, cardboard paper, cut it up all small pieces, break them up all small pieces and put them in there and give it a good mix. And trust me guys, that works. I had the problem before and all I did was increase my browns and it worked 100%. Thank you guys for watching Green Tea Garden. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. It's 100% free. Check in my playlist or end of the video. I'm going to leave my composting tip playlist so you guys can check it out and learn how to do your home compost. Compost is one of the best fertilizer you could use in your garden.